Hey y'all, how you doing today? Guess where I'm at? I'm in my antique kitchen. And remember, this is the stuff that I've collected through the years from my grandparents and great-grandparents. So the sink behind me, as you can see, it's a wonderful old sink. It's from a grandmother, and I've got, this is from a grandmother and grandfather, different ones. This is from the farm, a picture of the farm when it used to be a peach orchard. And now we live here now, and it's just a wonderful place to be. We're very thankful. And anyway, so I'm down here thinking I'm gonna cook some comfort food because this is my comfort place down here. So I'm gonna show y'all one of my easy and fast recipes that is called cheddar cheese and chicken casserole. Who doesn't like cheddar cheese? Who doesn't like chicken all in a casserole? Y'all, this is so easy. I don't know, you just throw it together real fast and pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes, and you have got a wonderful meal for your family. So it's on page 53 of my book, Happiness is Homemade, y'all. You can order it on Amazon and it'll come right to your house. And also you can get it on ebook if you'd like to have it on your device. And all of it's on a big sale right now. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what's in this. First, you're gonna need 2 cups of chicken, and you're gonna need to shred it up a little bit. You're gonna need 2 cups of chicken. You're gonna need some leftover rice. So I've got almost 2 cups here. And you're gonna need some chopped up peppers. I've got some red ones right here. And you're gonna need one of these little cans of green chilies that are chopped up. They're 4 ounces. And of course, sour cream. You're gonna need 1/2 cup of sour cream, and you're gonna need 2 cups of mild cheddar cheese, mild cheddar. And you're gonna put 1.5 cups of that cheddar in here, and then you're gonna put the rest of it on top when it comes out of the oven. So, okay, y'all, how easy is that? I know. So what I've gotta do is mix all this stuff together. The only thing I'm leaving out is 1/2 cup of that cheddar cheese, and y'all, I'm mixing it up in the baking dish. So let's just move ahead and talk and enjoy this. This is leftover rice, so I'm gonna make sure it's, you know, if there's any lumps, I'm unlumping it. And I've got it in there with that. Now y'all, these, you don't have to use red, but red is gonna make this so beautiful. So we're putting that in there. Ooh, there's a few left. Let's get those in there. And we're gonna have to do these 4 ounces of green chilies. Now they're chopped up, and you add the whole thing. And I know some people are like, do I drain it? Do I not drain it? Add the whole thing. These chilies and the pepper are gonna add a beautiful, beautiful flavor to all of this cheese and chicken. Okay, we got that in there, and now we gotta put in 1/2 cup of sour cream. Don't you love anything with sour cream in it? Makes it so creamy and delicious. I know I do. And y'all, when you're coming home on a night where, if you, like say in the week you've had chicken and you've had chicken and rice or whatever in a different meal, this just turns it into another meal. I love doing stuff like that. Oh, I gotta open this. Hang on, y'all. Okay, here we go. I got it open. We're gonna save 1/2 cup out, and the rest of this going in. That's a lot of cheese. Now y'all, you don't have to put this much cheese, but why not? Why not? Okay, so we're gonna leave the rest of it in there, and we're gonna stir this baby up. And while I'm stirring, I'm gonna get the bigger spoon out. Y'all bear with me if it makes any noise. I know some of y'all don't like spoon noise. I want to talk to y'all a little bit about my white pants. I want to show y'all my white pants. See, I've got this cute little navy top, and I've got some white pants and white shoes on. I always make sure I wear white pants and white shoes a lot during the summer, because, you know, after Labor Day, we have that rule, that etiquette rule, that you don't wear white after Labor Day. So I was thinking about that, because when I'm doing this video will come out on a different day than what the day I did it on. So when I'm doing this, it was the week before Labor Day, okay? And I'm just stirring this as we go, y'all. But, and I thought to myself, I wonder if everybody follows those rules. So y'all tell me below, Do you follow the rules about the white pants and the white shoes after Labor Day? And for those of you that are really young and may not know the rule, there's been a rule around for a long time, for decades and decades, that after Labor Day, you put your white shoes and your white pants away and you don't wear those so much. And I know, my husband and I have to go to a lot of meetings across the state, and I always follow that rule. But I notice sometimes that I see people that don't, and it's okay with me if people don't follow the rules, because sometimes I want to wear my white pants and it might be in October, but I don't. But I don't usually. So I'm just wondering if y'all would all be kind enough to tell me how you feel about that rule and do you follow it? Okay? That's pretty easy, isn't it? All right, that's as easy as me mixing this up. Okay, it's looking so good. I feel like I could just eat it now. But it says we gotta cook it, so we're gonna cook it. I'm gonna make this pretty in here. Oh, y'all, it looks so good. This is what it looks like, and I'm about to put it in my oven down here, 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. It does say that you need to cover it. So I'm lucky that my beautiful casserole dish does have a cover on it. So this is going in the oven. And I will see y'all when I pull this baby out. It's gonna be some good cheddar, cheese, and chicken casserole coming right up. All right, y'all, we have had it in there covered, cooking for 25 minutes. You can go to 30 if you need to, but everything's, well, no, the peppers are not cooked, but all the other stuff is cooked in there. So, and you can eat peppers raw, but anyway, I've had it in there for 25 minutes, and I'm about to pull it out of the oven. We're gonna see how this is looking. Y'all ready? All right, here it is. Ooh, can you see all that steam? Let me lay this over here. There we go. Y'all look at here. This is what it looks like when you get it right out. And now remember, we've got to doll it up a little bit more by putting on the rest of that cheese, and it's gonna melt really fast. And y'all, you add some green beans on the side or some kind of vegetable, or if you're happy with the vegetables, because you got all that pepper in there, then you don't even have to add any of that. But it's got rice. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. My mouth is watering as I'm standing here looking at it. Yum. It is melting fast. Let me show y'all how pretty it is. Just melting so fast. Well, it makes me happy. I hope it does you. And y'all, how easy was that? And I could feed, feed the family on this. And it didn't take long at all. But now I'm going to pull out one of my old plates. Y'all see my old plates here? This is from me. In one of my kitchens in the years past, I had fruit in there. These are beautiful peaches. Okay. Now, all right, y'all. I'm looking at this and I'm like, I got to get a bite. I got to let it cool. So I'm going to get me a little bit. I'm going to show y'all what this looks like when you dip it up. Oh, y'all, good gracious alive. Y'all are just going to love me to pieces after you taste of this. Look at that. Oh, I got cheese dripping down the side. What's not to love about that? Y'all see that? Oh, man. Y'all, this is really hot, so we're going to have to talk amongst ourselves while this thing cools off. I'm just going to tell y'all, it is cheesy heaven. Chicken, cheese, peppers. Do you want a bite? I know you do. Come on. You want a bite? If y'all were here, I'd give you a bite. I'd give you a plate of it. But you're not, so I guess I'll have to eat it myself. All right, here we go. Y'all, sour cream in there. It just takes it over the top. Now, y'all are not going to be sorry if you make this. You're going to be so happy. Look at that. Ooh, baby. I am just a happy camper now. This is some of the best stuff. Something about sour cream and cheddar and chicken and peppers and rice. Mmm. Y'all are gonna be so happy with this. Y'all gotta add this to your menu. I can't quit eating it. Let me put it down. Okay. I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord, He loves you a lot. And I love you too. And I love this casserole, this cheddar cheese and chicken casserole. Y'all go make you some. You will not be sorry. I promise you. I'll put the recipe below, and I'll put a link to my cookbook below. Okay, love and blessings to y'all from my antique kitchen. Bye-bye.